Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one with negative sign here. We have dt. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to s. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so we have negative number 1. We have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to t. And this one we have negative number 1. We see that this one and this one they are same, so that is about exact. Now I need to set up about the function fst. So I will select about this one. The integration of t square, we have t to the power of 3 over 3. The next one that is about st. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to s. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so now we have negative t plus 3d over ds, 3st. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. And we have c, that is about the constant. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3st. 3st equals to c, so I will put c in here. And we know that this one equals to fst. fst equal to c. Now we simplify like this. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.